Hi you all and welcome. Today we'll be designing this super cute wooden fridge magnet in the Procreate app for iPad. So grab your Apple Pencil and your iPad and draw along with me. Let's start by changing the background color. Click on the Layers panel, tap Background Color, choose whatever color you would like to be behind your fridge magnet, then tap Done. Click on the Brush tool, find the cursive A for calligraphy, and Monoline. Make sure your opacity is 100, and choose a brush size. Tap on the color circle and select whatever color you'd like the wood to be for the magnet. Test it if you like. Just remember to two-finger tap to undo, 3 to redo, or you can use undo and redo on the side panel. To draw a perfect circle, draw a circle or an oval, leave the pencil down on the screen, place your finger on the screen, and resize it, then lift up with your pencil. Drag and drop to fill the color. Click on the arrow. You can use a two-finger pinch to zoom out. Make sure that snapping this lightning bolt is on and magnetics is off. Then find the two crossing orange lines if you'd like to center it. Click on the arrow to get out of that. Now you can add whatever extra elements you'd like to. If you're making a mouse like myself, you can add ears or paws, or its nose. You can use arcs and ellipses by leaving the pencil down for a few seconds. If you want or need to edit, you can tap the word that appears here. If you decide to make a different animal, I'd love to see your results. Drop the color in whenever you need to. Great, now we can add the wood grain texture. I've downloaded mine from Unsplash and will include the link below. Click on the wrench, add, insert a photo. Click on the layers panel, tap on the large N, and change it to multiply. You may also change the opacity. I'll make mine something like 85. Tap on this layer, tap it again, and select Clipping Mask. Now I myself am going to go back to layer 1 and choose a bit of a brighter color. I like that a little bit better, so I'm ready to continue. You can change the direction of the wood grain by clicking on the layer and using the arrow and the little green bar at the top to rotate it. You might need to zoom out to do so, but make sure the wood grain is facing whichever direction you prefer. Click on the arrow to get out of that. Tap on the Layers panel, click on the plus symbol. Tap on this layer, select Clipping Mask. Click on the Brush tool, choose Sketching, 6B pencil, and choose whatever color you like to sketch with. I'll just select black myself. Add the design for your mouse or animal, whatever you're making. So for me, I'm going to follow one of these mice that is on the table and just give it a little bit of a pointed face, a curve here, and then for the bottom, I'll have it out and back up. And I actually do think that that works for mine, so I'll add the tail. Definitely add, other details if you want, especially if you're making a different character. It looks like mine is basically ready. If you want to, you can click on the Layers panel, tap on the large N, and lower the opacity on your sketch. You don't need to do this, but if you want to, you can. Next, click the plus symbol to add a new layer. Tap on this layer and select Clipping Mask. Click on the brush tool and go to Painting. Choose a paintbrush that you would like for this project. I myself have chosen Wet Acrylic. My opacity is at the maximum, and I'll change my brush size as I need to. And you should do the same. Choose any color you like and have fun painting. Once you've finished painting the mouse, you can, if you want to, go to the Layers panel and hide the sketch layer. I myself like the effect of keeping it on. It makes it look like it was really handmade. Next, you can either stay on this layer or add a new layer. Tap on it and select Clipping Mask. Here, you can add an eye or extra elements to your painting, whatever you like. I will go to Inking and Studio Pen and then choose probably just black, and my opacity is at 100. I'll change the brush size as I need to, and you should do the same. Have fun and add extra things to your piece. If at any point you want to change your background color, just click on the Layers panel and go to that layer. I'm just going to make mine a little bit darker. On this layer, if you want to, or on a different layer with a clipping mask, you can add some kind of splashes and splatters like the paint got all over the place with spray paints and either flicks or splatter. So if you don't like it, just hide the layer. If you do like it, keep it. And let's keep going. Swipe right on all of your layers to group them together using this button. Collapse the group with the little V shape, which turns into a right arrow. Swipe left, tap duplicate, click on the bottom one, tap on this one, click flatten, tap on this one, click select. Make sure that color fill is on, the other options don't matter too much. Click on the color circle and select a dark color. I'm choosing a dark blue, navy I suppose, almost black. Click on the ribbon to get out of that. If you click on the Layers panel, you should see it changed. Go to the magic wand, click on Gaussian Blur, put your pencil on the canvas, push to the right however much you'd like that to blur. Click on the Layers panel, tap the large N and select Linear Burn or Multiply, whichever you prefer. Bring your opacity down if you like. I'm going to do about 85 for mine. Use your arrow to move it to where you'd like your shadow to be. I think I will make my layer opacity lower, maybe about 60 or 70. That looks a little better to me. Click on the Layers panel, tap on the new group, open it up, click on the very top layer, add a layer, tap on this layer, select Clipping Mask, tap on the large N, and change it to something like Add or Screen. Choose from the brushes, Airbrushing Soft Brush. My opacity is about 80. I'll change the brush size. Click on the color circle, choose whatever color you think you want for a highlight. So I guess this one will work for me. It's kind of a bright white yellow. I'll definitely change the brush size as I need to, and you should as well. Click on the Layers panel, tap on the large A, and lower the opacity of the layer if you like. Click on the Layers panel, plus symbol to add a new layer. Press and hold this layer so it jumps in the air and drag it to the bottom. Once again, if you'd like to change your background color at any point, do so. If you'd like to add a little variance to your background, choose the color that you want for almost like a shadow. Go to this layer, change it to linear burn or multiply. Make sure you're on airbrushing soft brush, and then add it in how you like it to be. Play around with this until you like the result. If you don't like it, don't keep it. If you'd like to, plus symbol to add another layer, change the blending mode to add, and choose a bright light color, whatever you like, to add in a bit of a highlight to the top area. Change the opacity on each of these layers whenever you want or need to. Tap on the very top layer, plus symbol to add a new layer. Click on the brush tool and go to Luminance Light Pen. Add in some cool effects on top if you want to. You don't have to do this part, it's only if you want to. Thank you so much for joining me today to create this super cute wooden fridge magnet. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please feel free to share your results and tag me if you like. Otherwise, see you all next time.